I'll just show you. The first video was too long, but eventually we don't have 2 packs. Okay, I'm gonna go show you what we are working with.
It is gross. Yeah, maybe we should not get in the bath. Let's not get. Ew! It feels like slime all over my legs. Well, let's not.
So we are working. Yeah, I need to show them. Whoa! What's that? What's this? Oh, it's just a suction. Okay, so we are working with the slime bath stuff. Okay, so my sister's gonna show her. You guys. My sister's gonna show you guys her makeup and all this pearl stuff, and I'm gonna show you 2.
Oh my gosh, I mean my legs feel so slimy. Like I feel like I just stepped in a bath of slime.
Okay, so
well, I just did anyways.
Okay, you guys remember the last video that there's a surprise, and I said you have to get to how many subscribers to show you guys. But I don't know. I haven't made a video in so long. I'm just gonna do it.
Do what? Put your head in slime?
I told the viewers that I got toys from the mail, which is this. It's small and all that.
He ordered like 5 of the same ones.
No, you don't know. I ordered 3 of the same ones, but I don't know if the other 2 are the same. Hopefully they're not. I was so mad.
We should step out of the bath.
Here.
Let it sit. Also bring the viewers. Oh my gosh, so like they're gonna be at our house.
Oh my gosh. This feels so wrong.
Yeah, feels like so weird.
Okay. Oh! Okay, so we are viewing with
oh gosh.
Transformer little dude. Okay, so I'm gonna show. So here's a view of him.
I'm just gonna wrap myself in a towel because, like, who wouldn't?
Look at the face job. Come on, work. No, not working.
What?
It's probably bad because, hello, I'm videoing on a camera.
You mean an iPad?
An iPad, yeah. I'm videoing on an iPad. That's what I'm videoing with. iPad. Okay. So here he is. I'm gonna tell you how to transform. Bang. Put it behind.
I want to show my makeup.
Yeah, you will. Bang. And then see.
Why do
Okay.
you keep saying bang? That's annoying.
Okay. See that little peg right there? That is gonna clip in right like this in a hole. Then this isn't cooperating with me. Okay, then it will act like this. Now the feet, there's little slots. Plug those in. Get this round. Whoop. Bang. Now it's a little truck.
Oh, truck.
Uh-oh.
Okay, can I do my thing?
No, I need to show them.
Your slime spilled out. Ooh, slime. I want to feel it.
Ow, you got some on my tummy. Okay, so I'm not going to do it because it takes a while. Well, actually, yeah. Okay, so this little slime.
I want to do it.
Okay, so you get it
I got
in. I didn't even show the viewers.
Yeah. I almost got it in. Ew.
Oh yeah, we got all this from Five Below, and make sure send us stuff. Like, we want to know where you're from. Maybe you're from Mexico, New York, Kentucky.
Well, we're from Kentucky.
And yeah. So,
Ew, that sounds gross.
And so, wait, what was I going to say?
Why do you always forget stuff?
Oh, yeah, and also send us stuff from wherever you're from your Five Below store.
What if they don't have a Five Below store? Like,
yeah, but if you don't have a Five Below store, just get something that's $5 at your store.
Okay, that sounded bad.
Watch. Okay, so she's putting it in the little head.
It's so hard.
Oh gosh, my hands are slimy from the bath. Okay, put this in, and then we're gonna show the viewers the bleh. The bleh. Yeah, the bleh. No, his name
It's
is
Bob.
from.
Oh, I know.
No, his name's Bleh.
It's actually a girl, and she's named Pooparella.
That is not a girl.
That's a boy.
Then why did you call her Pooparella?
Can
Okay, so see this?
You still have. Oh no!
She just dropped her thing she was gonna
Here, let
show.
me feel it. Let me feel. I'm gonna feel the slime. It's actually kind of turning into slime though.
So in a few more minutes. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now let's squeeze them out. Brr.
Oh, when can I show him something?
Here, review that. It just went like, and
You want
then
me to just put that
went
in?
on the ground. Okay, so now she's gonna show you her things,
Why
which
he
will
would-
take like. Well, I
Not
do the
long.
slime, the bath and the slime, and she's gonna show you all her products from below.
Okay, that part was stupid.
Yeah, it was. Review.
My name's Lily, and I'm gonna have a channel soon. There's slime all
Or
over.
not. No.
Actually, I know I am.
She might.
Ew, there's slime all on my arm. It looks like snot, actually.
Yes, not.
Gross.
Oh,
Just like-
it might be done.
Nope, it's not.
I'm just gonna mix
I got
all the
this
powder.
really good brush from Five Below. Just to smooth out your concealer. And some lipsticks. Oh, dang it. I just dropped it out.
Oh gosh.
Okay,
Okay.
So I am going to put on a couple little products for you. So first, I'm just going to put on some concealer.
There's a
That's
hair. Okay.
I feel like a football player now.
Seriously, you just copied that from JoJo Siwa.
Nope, but I kind of do feel like a football player.
No, literally, you did copy that.
No, I feel like a football player will, because like when you put it on concealer.
I know, but you still copied it off of Joseph.
I didn't copy it off, Will. I'm just saying I feel like a football player. That's all I said.
Guys, go to JoJo Siwa's channel and like the how do you put on makeup, and then she's like how you put it on. She feels like a football player.
It's funny.
Comment down below if you think it's copying. Okay, the bath is
Whatever.
done.
Well, I'm not done. I'll hurry.
It's really slimy.
I have so much like highlighter on, I can't like blend it.
Okay. You
Yeah, I'm
might
gonna use a different brush.
okay, do you have a towel?
Why?
Because it's all
Use tissue. Use this towel I have.
Ooh, yeah. My hands are very slimy.
Okay, just trying to
Hurry. Ow!
Sorry.
Literally, this video can only go so long, remember?
Yeah, I'll be done.
Okay, so.
Oh, and here's my lipsticks. I'm gonna put one on and you can see it. Bye. My hands are slimy. Get it. Okay.
Okay, now I am entering the zone.
I'm coming. What the?
Ew. Slimy. It's very slimy. Here,
Oh.
set the viewers up.
Oh, this is so hot.
Here, mix it around, sort of.
It is not ready, Will.
Yes, it is.
Okay, maybe it is, but I don't feel any slime.
Ew. It's not that good. It's like, yeah. Oh, just so you know, we're not sponsoring.
What sponsor me?
Like, oh, gosh. I'll tell you after the video. Well, I'll just tell you now. Sponsoring means
Feels so weird.
it feels weird, like you said. Okay, so, no. Steph Curry. No, do not do that. It would, here, do not. Set it over there.
Set it somewhere else.
No.
They could barely even see
No.
us.
You almost got my cover in the water.
You mean in the slime? It's not that gooey. It's green, but it's like it's okay. It's like you first you think it's gonna be like the best slime ever, and all you really get is that. You like you could use this as like pretend you sneeze all over your hair and you get like this. Ew, the slime's getting all on my. Ew, I sneezed.
Ew. Here, how about we dunk your head in the slime?
I am not.
Oh, wait.
Dang it, I got my hair slimy. I don't want to do that.
This is very slimy. Why aren't you going to show the viewers the slime?
I am, but I have slime hands.
I actually think the jelly would be better.
Yeah, I kind of wish I got the jelly though. You should have got both.
Yeah, but I really wanted. Wait, what was the other thing I got?
That you could have kept.
No, what was the other thing? Oh yeah, that jelly dude. That guy who coughs up slime. This actually feels soothing.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the slime.
It's
Let me
not.
get all the slime off my butt.
Ew.
There's so much slime on me.
Okay, yeah. I don't know if.
It doesn't feel that good though. Feels like
Okay.
there is parts of slime where there should never be slime. Literally.
Okay. Learning time with Lily. Sponsors. Sponsoring means like the video is just for you. The video is just for like that particular item.
It's gross. Like, it doesn't feel like slime. Show them what it feels like. It feels like that. It's not that slimy.
That they can't feel what they see.
Ooh, slimy.
Slimy.
It's not that slimy.
Oh, slime right there. Here, set them up again. Set them up.
No, I can hold it.
I wish it was like really like slime, so like we could
Tell me if
put
I'm
them
holding it
in. Huh?
Am I holding it to you?
Slimy. Here, I'm gonna make.
I know you. There are slimes in Will's body parts where there should not be slime. I know it already.
What?
There is slime in my body parts where there should never be slime.
Okay, let's keep this channel on a PG.
Ken.
Ew, stop. Your feet are all slimy.
Yeah, they're supposed to because we're on slime.
Okay.
Put all the slime on my feet. I want to see what it feels like. Panicure me.
Oh, look at all these little. I don't think it's done.
I told you. Yeah, I think it's not done either. So.
If you heard that, like.
Bye.
Okay.
This is another fail.
This isn't a fail. Okay, so we're gonna make another video if it like actually turns to like slime. And
But we'll see you in another dimension. Bye.